Alright guys, we're here with the gang real quick. Sally's right here. Oh, hashtag Relentless. Hashtag Relentless. Those angles. Those angles. Oh, papi. Oh, harder. Harder. Harder, papi. Here's babe. There's food.
Oh, we got hot chicken. You want to see it?
We got hot chicken. Let's see the...
Got some chicken.
Golly, look at that.
Hot chicken strips
Yo,
in there.
what's under the hood? There's papi. Oh dear. Alright guys, we're out here at the meet on the very top. We have Sally set up, the banner swap, got all the bays set up. There's the bays. There's wifey.
Hello.
Wifey. Bay. I'll put all the Instagrams right there on the bottom as they're coming by. Bay. Lumpia Bay. Bay. There's Baymax. Oh, GTR! We got SocalZ. It's Tony! Oh, what's that? Let me see that new shirt. Let's see that new Relentless shirt. Flex that back real quick.
Oh, hi.
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 Let me see that front. Okay. Let me see that back. Let me see that back. Rub that with the brand. Damn it. Damn it.
It's hot.
Clean. It's a 33. Oh my gosh. Right hand drive. NSX. NS Bay is moist. I hit it one time.
All right, welcome to Beyond the Build. Today we're at, I don't even know what car meet this is. Not gonna lie to you. Origins car meet. Okay, good. I don't know what I'm saying.
High five, very good.
Yes.
I like it, I approve. What's going on guys? We're here at the Origins meet.
The real one.
Got him.
My name's Omar. I go by O-Cuts, you know. Barber, let me know if you want an appointment. Cut you up, but this is my 370Z right here. Exterior wise, so I got the Weber kit, Nismo back bumper, carbon fiber fenders, the whole interior. I got bronze seats, you know. Not fast yet, but I'm be fast too. So right now it's just all looks, you know. I got the carbon hat, got bags, you know. That Fitment, you know, Fuego.
Okay.
But yeah, this is it. Check it out. My car right here.
All right.
Bag.
Super clean. Little spikes right here. That diffuser is wild, man. Want to see that?
People like it, people don't like it, you know.
I have with it, man. All right, let's see the Brahms seats real quick. Let's see the interior. Ooh. Damn it.
You know?
Oh, you know now. Okay.
A little carbon steering wheel. Get the carbon steering wheel.
Oh yeah. Oh, I had a flex. Damn it. It's good, man. Sheesh.
Thank you, bro.
Sick.
Literally sitting on the floor.
Okay.
Get the kick to match the car, you know?
Oh, I had a flex on that.
I want to shout out everybody that's coming with this build. That's Tire Shop, Carbon Plug, Fly One, SocalZ too, big follow SocalZ. And then my team Relentless, boy, and everybody showing love on the gram. I appreciate everybody, man.
All right, man.
It's just the beginning.
High five, brother. Hell yeah. I'm gonna be a creeper. Is that A Polly?
That's Polly right there.
That's Polly.
Famous guy, Polly.
A Polly. He's famous A Polly. Famous A Polly. Famous A Polly. A Polly. A Polly. A famous. Oh, Joseph. Alright, we got a mandatory photos with Bae. Hashtag wear your mask. And yeah, I did my photos too. I'm gonna be posted later. And let's just do a quick walk around and check out all the builds. Thought I was PD for a minute. You know what? I think it is. It is. You know, I was totally wrong when I first said. At first, I was trying to guess what it was. Oh man, I want one of these, bro. So clean. Check out a whole lineup of GTRs. That's sick. Come on, buddy. Yeah, man. Okay, as soon as this S2K came in, I heard the turbo spooling like crazy. Look at these little tiny pie cutters right here. Look how fat this turbo is. Fatty.
Because it's like pink and yellow at the same time.
It's a strawberry lemonade. Well, sort of. I'm gonna walk by. I missed it. So we stuck in here. We can't leave, and they're revving everywhere. There's one boy. He's revving. She's revving. Do a Bernie.
Unimpressed.
Do a Bernie. Do a Bernie.
No.
Si quemaca.
No.
No quemaca.
They stopped. Smells like paint.
Alright, so we're pretty much just have to wait because it's so packed. It's gonna take a minute. Like, look at these lined up right here, all these cars and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, it's done. We're gonna head out a little bit, probably go in and out, and yeah, that's it. So, did you have fun? Happy National Waiver Day? I did! Woo! Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. New videos out every Tuesday. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys! Relentless! Bye guys! Relentless! Okay. Oh, it's base! SocalZ.